What is up, YouTubers? Bit Loud and the Blitz team here. Super excited. I got a treat video for you today. I was surfing the other day looking for some old Zoids toys, and I came across this lot. I waited on it, I pounced on it for the price that I wanted, and I got it for a deal. I got 12 Zoids for about $2.50 a piece, and most of the ones I was looking for. Starting off on the bottom row, going left to right, we had Bighorn, Command Wolf Irvine, a Liger Zero Jaeger, Liger Zero Basic, Shadow Fox, Reynos, a Liger Zero, Gun Sniper, Berzerk Fury, Elephander, Geno Breaker, and Iron Kong. All from the show New Century Zero, I think except the Geno Breaker, but all in great shape, mostly complete, super cheap. I love Zoids, I love New Century Zero, the Blitz team, Bit Cloud, Bit Loud. Let me give you a closer look at each one coming up here next, guys.
Coordinates WO8X22. Zoid battle request in battle mode 0982. Battle mode 0982 approved.
Judge Capsule, release!
Lucky me. The Judge Capsule?
Yeah.